What is the scientific name for the African elephant? Loxodonta africana. How many species of African elephant are there? Two species. What is the average weight of an adult male African elephant? 10 tons. What is the primary food source of African elephants? Grass. How long is the gestation period of a female African elephant? 22 months. What is the distinctive feature of an African elephant's ears? They are large and fan-shaped. Where are African elephants primarily found in the wild? Africa. What is the main threat to the African elephant population? Poaching. What is the social structure of African elephants' birds? Matriarchal groups. What is the average lifespan of African elephants in the wild? 40 to 60 years.